Home Minister Amit Shah has moved a bill in the Rajya Sabha to bifurcate the state of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Making the announcement in Rajya Sabha, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the union territory in Ladakh will have no legislature like Chandigarh, and while the other union territory of Jammu and Kashmir will have a legislature like Delhi and Puducherry. All Manipur Students Union AMSU President Peter Lystrom today pledged they will continue to protest over baby Sana's mysterious death till the justice is delivered. Chandel District Police planted around 500 saplings at New Khongjon area of Chandel District as a part of Jal Shakti Abhiyan this morning. Superintendent of Police Chandel M. Madhunimai, along with other police officers, attended the program. A small sum of Rs 1,000 was handed over by M. Munal Meite to E. Valentina Devi as a token of love and in recognition of her love and care for plants and trees. Assam Congress MP Bhuvaneshwar Kalita resigned from Rajya Sabha earlier today. Congress MPs Ghulam Nabi Azad, Anand Sharma, Ambika Soni and Bhuvaneshwar Kalita had submitted a German motion notice in Rajya Sabha over the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Notably, on July 30, Sanjay Singh, another Congress Rajya Sabha MP from Assam, had resigned from the Congress and the upper house to join BJP. While the centre has held the Kashmir card close to its chest despite a flurry of action over the past few days, top state government officials have been exploring options to modify Article 35A, which confers special rights to the permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir. The options include creating categories of land and allowing outsiders to purchase land in certain cases, and placing restrictions on the quantum of land based on the usage. Leading automobile manufacturers announced a sharp decline of up to 50% in their domestic sales in July, with the market leader Maruti Suzuki reporting a 36.2% drop on sales during the month. Hit by the liquidity crunch for non-banking financial companies and a dip in consumer sentiment, July became the 12th out of the 13 months in which the auto sector has seen a decline in domestic sales.